Aqua Robot Man Nemo, an underwater drone, unveils the mystery of the underwater world to you. We adopt the innovative 4-duct QAS balance driving technology, allows you to freely conduct actions of various difficulties under the water. It hovers as you wish, and a wonderful panoramic view of the underwater world will be achieved. Look, it's that easy to break into the world of fish. With VR mode and a matching VR somatosensory package, which enables you to feel the exciting underwater world like you are just diving in the sea. Nemo adopts the camera with a high performance of 4K, 30 frames per second. Adjustable matrix fill light bring you the picture quality of Blockbuster. Real-time transmission enables you to follow your own bent on the shore. Exploring the underwater world, sharing by one click. Fish would be tracked quietly, making it easy for you to go fishing. Search and rescue, ship detection, scientific exploration. It's always the best helper. It works underwater for 3 hours consecutively. The unique removable waterproof battery allows me to continue my life indefinitely. Board a plane with 2 pieces batteries directly and go anywhere in the world without any obstacles. Aqua Robot Man Nemo, traveling in the underwater world and exploring the infinite splendor.